Veggie Quiche.
Veggie Quiche.
Do you need my hand there? Well guys, now what are we gonna make, Radha? Veggie Quiche? As my little one said, we're gonna make Veggie Quiche today. Very simple. We're gonna use daily uses vegetables. Vegetables can be your choice. You can swap any vegetables you like, you know. And the eggs are really important for that. So you're gonna crack eggs here, over here, Radha. You move over there. You crack egg, and I will chop up all the vegetables. So I'm using leek, broccoli, and some mushrooms over here. Alright, you take your egg too. And some mushrooms over here. And also I've got some fresh kale from my garden over here. So as I said, the vegetables can be your choice. You can choose whatever vegetables you want to add in there. So I've got some fresh kale from the garden. And that's all the veggies gonna go in there. I've got some fresh lettuce also. We're gonna use it as a side dish in there. This one gonna go back to the fridge. Alright.
I'm gonna have this on my shoulders.
I'm just gonna chop it up so roughly. You don't have to make a size, proper size in there. Just chop it up roughly. Chop up the kale. Saute all this first, then we're gonna add it into egg mix, okay? So let's cook this. That's all the vegetables we're gonna use here, guys, and then we're gonna cook this one. Boil in here. We got our leek first over here. We're gonna saute our leeks first a little bit. And then broccoli gonna go in there also. There we go, our kale and mushroom over here. So we're just gonna cook halfway, like 40 to 50%. Now it's time to add our seasoning over here. We're gonna add a bit chili flakes in there. You guys can avoid chili. Yeah, just a bit chili. Do you like chili?
No.
And some smoked paprika. It's gonna go in there also. Got some sweet paprika as well. It will just get nice color in there. Some salt goes in there as well. As you see, guys, this one looks really colorful now. We're gonna add some peas in there. I've got some frozen peas. Just a little bit peas in there. And that's all ready. We don't need to cook it all the way through. That should be ready now. Yeah, we got our mixture ready and the egg ready. She already cracked some eggs. We're gonna season the egg first, Radha. So what we got, what do you call this?
Salt.
Salt here. So half a teaspoon salt gonna go in there. We don't want too salty because the feta gonna be salty also, and this one gonna be salty. So we got some chili flakes in there also. flakes and some smoked paprika. Alright?
Smoked paprika.
Yeah, smoked paprika, and then mix all the way through.
Time do it? Can I mix it?
Now you can do it. Just mix it proper.
It smells nice.
Yeah, I know.
I want to eat all of it.
Yeah. So we're gonna add some feta in here into our mix. And here we got our dish where we're gonna put our flaky pastry.
Yes.
So that's our flaky pastry over here. We're gonna move this, and we're gonna grease our dish first so it won't stick to that. Yeah, you can do that one. We grease it all around butter like this.
I know.
That's our dish already nicely greased up.
I'm gonna mix it.
You can see nicely greased up. And then we're gonna place our sheet over here.
Let me see.
Yeah.
It's too big, Dad.
So what we're gonna do, I know this is. It's gonna go inside here. Alright.
I'm
Do
touching.
you wanna poke this one a little bit so we can get cooked through nicely?
I can do it.
Alright. And so we need to cover all this area also, so we're gonna put another sheet on top. So we just grease this one also.
Can I do the grease as well?
Now it's time to add our veg mix in here. Alright, this one gonna go back to the oven. Yes, we're gonna add some honey in there. Thyme gonna go in there. Some lemon juice. Yeah, we'll try to take it out from this first, and then we will maybe portion it. Alright, now it's time to taste this beauty. Okay. Alright, now it's time to taste this beauty. You wanna have a taste first, Ryan? You need help me out for that. Hot, I know. Alright, now this crunchy, fluffy, you can see pastry on the sides. And the eggs nice and fluffy also. Let's have a bite.
But I don't want to eat that.
So good. It's nice and sweet and spicy from the chili flakes, and then saltiness from the feta cheese. But really nice. Hope you guys enjoyed the recipe, and I will see you again with another exciting recipe. Till then, take care. Bye. Peace.
I'm spitting it.